Hey everyone, Eduardo here, back with another episode of Behind the Shot, where I take you behind the scenes and show you some of the lighting setups for my portraits. For today's video, I went ahead and did something a little bit differently from what I normally do, and that is I used 2 lights instead of just 1. Now, I'm a big fan of trying to use 1 light as much as possible in order to keep things simple, but for this shoot, I knew I would need to add an additional light in order to get the beauty look I was trying to achieve. Jarry Lee is the model for today, and my lighting setup consists of my main go-to strobe, which is the Godox MS300, and it's getting some help from the Godox AD200 Pro. My key light is paired with the 55-inch Octa softbox to help spread the light as much as possible in front of Jarry, and because of the size of this modifier and how close I have it to her, it's also going to provide me with a nice soft light. I also have a 5-in-1 reflector set to the white side placed under Jarry, and what that is going to do is help me fill in any shadows that might be created from the main key light. As for my second light, I have it equipped with a standard reflector dish, and I have it pointed towards a white V-flat that's behind Jarry, so that way I can get a high-key blown out background. The camera equipment I'm using is my usual, the Sony A7 III with a Tamron 28-75mm f2.8 lens, and I'm tethered to Capture One Pro so I can view images as we shoot and also add any edits if I choose to. Once I figured out all of my settings, I ended up capturing these images with an ISO of 80, a shutter speed of 1/200th of a second, and an f-stop of 3.2. My key light I had firing at 1/16th power, and my second light at 1/128th. And with everything put together, here are some of the results. And there you have it, another lighting setup that you can try out to help you achieve a classic beauty look. I hope you enjoyed and found this 2 light setup helpful, and I will catch you on the next one. See ya.